everyone!
Hi guys, welcome to our channel, I'm Len. And this is and this is Daddy. But this time there's 3 people. Yeah. Wait, there's only 3 people.
What are we going to do today?
Open the Gundam store. Achibi Gundam. Gundam for kids. It says here it has 7. Looks like it has 7 items.
Okay, so it's a chibi.
What about our nippers?
We don't have nippers, we have scissors.
Doesn't mommy have nippers? And here, as you can see here, there is.
No, there's more than 7.
Yeah, this is wait, let me check. An instruction. Oh, and an instruction. Which bag do we open first? Colorful bag or white bag?
Okay, it says here,
Colorful.
make the head first.
Yeah. The head looks tiny, but it's not that made. It just looks like this. Right? Skeleton.
Go.
Which one do we need first? I'll do the.
G14.
Huh?
G14. This is G1.
This one?
This one of G1 and then look for 4. On the other side. G14. Now, you want to twist it.
Just the point of meters now.
Okay, G14. Next.
Yeah, you put in your
G110.
arm. Can I do it?
Oh, you stick it together. G110.
Where's
Equivalent.
G110?
Alalay.
Which one?
10. Look for 10.
This thing.
Oh, that one.
This big red piece.
G110. Finish your pizza. Oh. Remove the entire thing. Okay, and
I'm
then
gonna bend
you
it.
stick them together.
How? Yeah, let me just open these.
Oh, this by this time. Like this one ba? Oh, it's the eyes pala. Oh, next, the G12 and G13.
I got them.
I'll go.
Wait a second. Then to do advanced mathematics. Even with my advanced mathematics, I cannot solve this. Dude, what is it? It's supposed to look like that. Yeah, it's supposed to look like that.
Look for G15 lalay.
This is G1
Oh, go.
we got this here. I want to block out the entire thing.
What's your burger? Ayun.
Burger?
You're able to stick them together? Can I see?
Wait.
Oh, lalay daw, lalay.
Oh, this is gonna look satisfying. This is gonna look satisfying. Satisfying.
Your hands are oily, lalay.
Wash your hands. He doesn't want to wash his hands.
You want to do it? Well, let's prepare for G19 and G11. G11 and G19.
Where's G11?
Here, probably this is G1. That we have?
G11. This is G11.
Okay.
Ano yung kamukha?
Maybe. But when you come back, we're done.
No. Yo!
Ah,
He's so cute!
It's a big head. G11.
Dude, this head is real bigger. Why is this head even bigger than the big Gundam?
Yeah. And then G19.
Look at the so where is G1? I can't see.
I think it's red.
It's not
Isn't it red?
And then
G19 is red.
all of these two.
Look for G19.
No, that's 20. This is 25.
Oh no, this is G2.
G19.
This is G1. Look for 9.
Wait. This one. This one is fine.
Isn't that 6?
That's it.
Maybe this one. So this is A.
G1, 8, G1.
Oh, here.
G1.
Go, G1.
What a surprising G1.
Okay.
It
It fell. It fell. Stick it in.
Where?
Here.
Wait, no, it's right there.
Oh, lalay daw. Go.
What do I prepare?
You prepare Kuya Lens G17
G17, what else?
G211 and G212.
G2.
Blue. Oh, why are you here, Iris?
This is for boys. This is for boys. No, this is for boys.
Iris wants to join.
The other girl na Gundam.
Yeah,
What is the Gundam?
they are girl pilots. Oh, dapat girl eh.
Right?
Oh, you stick. You have the stuff. Okay, next. G23 and G18. G223 Ah, that one, G18. Light. That one. G2.
What the heck?
G223. It's there. Oh, no, not there. You wait for G223. From Kuala.
Next?
Oh, give the G223 to Lala.
What's next?
You get the G218 and G219.
How do I place it?
Check this for Talay.
I'll be the one to place on the...
Maybe it's baliktad. There you go. And then G18.
Guys, why is it sideways? G118, G119.
There you go. And then good job. And then Kuya gave you G219 and G218. These two.
Well, put them.
Strip here in front and back.
I'll put on the legs. I'll be the one to place the legs in the arm.
You place the arms so then Talay can place the arm.
I need
G220 and
How do I
G224.
put this? What? G220, G224?
Yeah.
There's two in G224. No. Guys, there's two in G224.
Yeah, both.
And this... Where? There's two in
Oh, it
G224.
fell.
G220.
Maybe this one should be in the front.
Guys,
No, this one is in front pala.
I got, you guys
this
have
one is
4
in front.
pieces. I got this random G222. That one you need G222.
What?
This is G222.
What's that?
It's loose. It got loose. G222.
Okay.
G222 is loose. After I place on this arms, this is gonna be chaos. I can do something with these arms. I bet Lala is always gonna play this when we're gonna play Gundams. She's gonna...
Aren't our Gundam supposed to be displayed?
Yeah, they're supposed to be displayed, but he likes to play with stuff that he will play with them. He doesn't... But some katanas are also for display. If we buy them. What's next?
Next would be G215 and G216.
I'll do the arms. Well,
There, in the bottom.
here. You wanna originally G225? It got loose too.
Okay, we'll check. You put the G225 on the side and G213 on the hand. Let Kuya Lens put it. Oh, it's baliktad.
Go places.
Oh, give the Kuya Lens so he can
This
attach
is
the
my
hands.
dad.
Attach the hands, Kuya Lens.
Lalay won't let.
Alright.
Lalay. Yeah, he has a very big arm.
Go, give it to Kuya Lens.
I can place a lot of pieces.
Stay in the middle, Kuya Lens.
Lalay place lots of pieces, so I'm also gonna put it. No, that's for that. That's for that. I'm gonna place a lot of pieces too because you also place a lot of pieces.
Oh, remove the one with remove the G214 lalay. G214 lalay. It's there. There, look for G214. The one you're holding.
This is normal.
we'll put the gun and then the shield. Put the shield to the lens. Okay, and then
What time is it?
I'm not sure. Here, 6 or 5.
Six?
And then, did you put the shield na? Lalay, put the one on the
I want
back.
to drink. I want to drink.
Oh, we're almost done na.
I want to drink.
Okay, we're almost done na.
What about G223? What about G222?
Tada! This is so cute. Okay, let's put the stand. Where's the stand?
What stand?
This one. This is the stand.
We also need this. Yeah.
No, what's this one? Oh, careful.
Probably excess pieces or something. What's excess? Yeah, they're excess pieces. What are excess? Oh, those are pieces for the display.
Yeah. Where's the loose one, toilet you mentioned?
Like this one, I place it
Oh,
supposed
okay. Alright, put it here.
Yeah, put it here. Look what happened to him.
There you go.
He's one of our most best display. He's one of our. Why are we collecting
Oh,
Gundam?
so there's what's this one?
A G222. What? This is G222?
Oops, careful, Lalay. Your
I want to block it now.
Go, go. Oh, it's when you will just display it like that, oh. That's weird.
You just break his head.
Yeah.
You killed him, no. That's ugly. No, it's ugly. He's gonna die.
It's gonna die.
That's ugly. It's ugly.
For this one, first not for the
What's that? What's that for?
I don't know.
Just set it this. Wait. Place it air and then that's for the gun. This is where you place the gun. It's a lightsaber. It's a lightsaber. Did you want this lightsaber? I can get the lightsaber. Yeah, use this lightsaber. Oh, that's not a lightsaber.
Put the gun here.
Use the lightsaber, but you won't take. You're not allowed to take this. Hold on.
Oh.
Oh.
And then,
Did you used to play with Gundam? You will,
yeah, where's the sword? There's a sword. I found the sword.
you will get the flamethrower. That's no sword. This is a sword.
Okay, I think we're good.
Okay. Bye-bye. Have a great
So, we build this one.
No, he's bad. He's too small. Okay.
Alright.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Hope you like this video. If you want to see more videos of Gundam, please subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye. Bye.